Hello friends, this is Akshansh from Ingle Coder, and today we will see a very basic thing. That is, first of all, let me create a project, and today we are going to see that how we can jump from one frame to another. Like many apps you have been, maybe you have seen that where we have a button, and when we click on that button, that time we get redirect to a different frame. Okay, another frame. Okay, or that before frame closes and another frame opens suddenly. Okay, so that how to do we'll do see today. So we will see, suppose I will just type jump from from frame to frame. Perfect. Now I will right click here and create a new, not jframe from, I will create a new class and I will give its name frame1, suppose. And in this we'll add a button. So first of all, let me do this, and I'll type here my main method, public static. All these things I have explained you in some last videos. Public static void main string I didn't type args. Perfect. Now here I will type new. Now as I told that this frame is by default not visible, so I have to type here I have to make an object of this frame, new frame1, then dot set visible true. Now I will just make constructor here. It is showing error because I haven't extended gframe. Extends gframe. Okay, and implements action listener also I have to do, but that I will do afterwards. First of all, here I will do import java x dot swing dot star, not extract action dot star only. Now error are gone. Now I will create a constructor here. Wait. Okay. Now in constructor we have to, as you know, we have to type name same as the class name. So frame1 and then perfect. Now inside this I will create a button. So j button b1 equals to new j button. What is this? J button, and inside this I will type, suppose click here. Okay. No, not this. Done. Now I will just do set bounds. Okay, I have to do frame set bounds also. I forget to do frame set bounds. Before that I have to do, no. So first of all I have to set bounds, and let's say I will just do it 200, sorry, not 20, 200 and 300, whatever we can do, because this is not an actual project, we are just doing a demo frame. I'm just demo thing. Okay, demo class. So 200, 300, and length I will give 500 size. Okay, then set layout null, so that we can use set bouncing the button and you can place it anywhere we want. So b1 dot set bounce beyond that set bounds. Okay, so now here I will just type. Okay, I typed here 50 by mistake. It is 500. Here I will type 400. Suppose no. Suppose 150. 150. Yes. Now its height I will type 100. Suppose, and then its length I will type 100 again. Not 10 actually 100. And not 10. 100 man, and it is 25 suppose, and then I will just add it to my frame. Not ADF, ADT add B1. Perfect. Save it, but no, save it. Shift F6 and okay, it's running. It takes up time. No, yeah, first time when you run NetBeans, no, it takes time. And what is this? Where it came here? And I want it here. It's okay. I will just put it a bit down. Suppose 300. And this I will do it 400. No, 300 only. 200 suppose. Suppose 200. Let's run it. Oh my god. It's so down. It is so down. To do it 200. 150. I hope it works. No. It is in center vertically, but horizontally I have to make it in center. So horizontal is this, right? So 15. Oh, suppose 200. So I will. This is 1000. Okay, so now here I will just do this 100. Save it, run it. Okay, 150. No, 200. Okay. Now I want that when I click. Wait, let me run it. I will show you. Now I want that whenever I click this button, a new frame should open. Okay. So for that, the next frame should also be there. So I have to make a new frame, new class actually, and inside that we will make a new frame. So suppose frame 2. Done. Finish. Okay. Now I will delete all this, and I will just copy all this and paste it here, because approximately only same thing only here also. Okay, and this also frame 2. Perfect. And no, I wrote here frame by mistake. This is frame. Okay, done. Now this button I will have to remove. I will not do it click here. I will do it back, because from after when we'll click on this button. Okay, let me run. Wait, I don't know what happened. It is not running frame 2. I don't know why. Oh, because here I typed frame 1 only. I have to make object of frame 2. Now as you can see, and when I will click on the back button, I should go to frame 1. So now for this I have to do action perform. So implements action listener. Okay, because this action listener is very very important to add action to any button. And after that, now it is saying that cannot find symbol, because now if you implement any interface, then you have to override its abstract method also, that is public. Sorry, that is action perform. In this case, action listener case, it is action perform. So I will write public void action performed. Inside this we have to type action event A. So we can now, okay, it is showing error. What it is saying? Okay, we have to import this also, java fx dot event. No, import java. Okay, not java. Java dot awt dot event dot star. Perfect. Now why it is showing error again here? Okay, I wrote swt, it is awt. Yes. Now again it is showing error because I wrote star here. What I am doing, man? I don't. Okay. Okay. So now this is done. Now here again, still it is showing error. I wrote action listener as it should be action listener. Done now. So now error is gone. Now, one more thing, important thing is that if in your frame there are two buttons or more than one buttons or two more than two buttons are there in your frame, then obviously you want that. If I will write it like this, no. Okay, first of all, let me tell you the code to jump from one frame to another. So the code is simple. That here what we wrote, new frame dot set new frame one means this frame dot set visible true, and from this line what happens, this frame will be visible to us. So same thing we have to copy here and write it, just we have to do it frame 2, and then it will just visible it, display it on our screen. That means it will visible it, I mean it will show it. So let me click on this button. So it will not work because I forgot again to add action listener. So I have to do b1 dot add action listener and current class reference, that is this is important, otherwise it will not listen to the command. Okay, and when I will click, it will open this frame, and when I will click on back, nothing will happen. That will do in next video. So here one important thing is that suppose you have two buttons in your frame, and but if I will do, suppose I will copy this button, copy and paste it here. I will rename it as b2 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 b2, and I will change its location, suppose 400. Now I will run it. Then this button is here. Anyways, I am just showing you a demo. So if I click this button, that is our before button, that will work. It means that will open this frame 2. But if I click on this button, again it will do the same thing. But suppose here is click here and here is back to, means the button to exit. Then we want that it should exit, but it is opening another frame. So that means that if you write inside public action perform, if you write directly any action, then it will apply that action on both the buttons. So we don't want that. So to differentiate the buttons, we first of all have to make this j button, we have to declare it outside the constructor, because it this action perform method is outside the constructor. So it will not there is no scope of this action perform inside this constructor, so we have to declare it outside the constructor. So I will just do this it's showing error, so I will just declare it globally here. So j button b1 done. Now it is error is gone. Now here what you have to type, if a dot get source, a dot get source equal to b1, then just cut it and paste it here. Now if I run it, so when I click on this button, this frame will open, but when I click on this button, the frame will not open, because we are seeing if AE means if user clicks on B1, then only open this, means then only apply this thing. And now if you want to do for another button, you can write else if or else, because since we have only two buttons, so we can write else else a, sorry, not a. Now here we don't need to type conditions. I will show you. I will make a separate video on if and if else and else, means if else ladder we called it. So I'll make separate video on that. So for now you just see that in else, if you type in, if you have to, you need to type condition. In else, no need of condition, just type a new this dot set visible false, and here we will type exit. Okay, exit. Okay, and this I will move it a bit here. Suppose 50, no 100. This is its length. Sorry. 300. Perfect. Okay, 350. Done. Now if I click on this button, it will open this frame, and if I close it and if I click on this button, it will close the current frame. So what we did here, this dot set visible false, means it will just do it this frames, this current frames visibility false, means it will be hidden. Okay, means we cannot see, obviously it will be closed, indirectly it will be closed, we can say. So that's it for this video. In next video we are going to see that how I can come from this frame to this frame back. Okay, so that we will see. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and hit the like button under this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.